Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to channel for all things beauty and grooming. If you're looking to improve your skincare routine or kickstart your beard journey, today's review is one you won't want to miss. We're diving into the Beard Club Derma Roller for face, body, and scalp. This microneedling tool promises to enhance your grooming game with 540 titanium-coated microneedles. Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. So, let's start with the basics. The Beard Club Derma Roller is designed for both men and women, making it versatile enough for all skin types. It's equipped with 540 titanium needles, each 0.25 millimeters in length. This microneedling tool aims to help with hair and beard growth by stimulating the skin and improving circulation. You can use it on your face, scalp, or beard to potentially boost growth and skin health. Plus, it comes with a storage case to protect the needles and ensure they stay in good shape for reuse. I've been testing this roller out for a while now, and I have to say it's surprisingly easy to use. Microneedling can sound intimidating, but the design of this roller makes it accessible for beginners. I used it mainly on my beard area and also on my scalp, where I've been looking to improve hair thickness. The 0.25 millimeter needles aren't too long, so they don't feel painful, but they still deliver the right amount of stimulation. After using it for a few weeks, I noticed a slight increase in the texture and appearance of my beard. It didn't magically turn into a Viking beard, but there was definitely some improvement in the thickness and overall feel of the hair. That being said, there are some areas where it could be better. While it's a solid tool for regular use, I didn't experience dramatic changes right away. The microneedles are effective, but I think you need to stay consistent with use over time to see significant results. Also, the roller itself feels sturdy, but the plastic handle could be a bit more ergonomic. It does the job, but it might not feel as comfortable as some higher-end models on the market. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the titanium-coated needles are durable and provide great safety compared to lower-quality metals. The roller is easy to use, and it works well on both facial hair and the scalp. The included storage case is a nice touch to keep it safe and ensure the needles stay intact. However, there are a few drawbacks. While it's an affordable tool, the comfort of the handle could be improved. And while it does offer results, they aren't instantaneous. You need to be patient and consistent for optimal results. When it comes to value for money, I'd say it's a solid purchase for those who are looking for a budget-friendly way to incorporate microneedling into their routine. Microneedling tools like this one can be expensive, but the Beard Club's roller gives you access to similar benefits without the high price tag. In terms of quality, it's a good entry-level option, but it may not offer the same level of luxury or results as more premium alternatives. Now, when comparing this product to others on the market, it stands out in terms of price and versatility. Many microneedling tools are designed for just one use, but this roller can be used on your face, scalp, and beard. Some higher-end rollers have more advanced features, like multiple needle lengths or motorized options, but this one does the job for the price it's offered at. As for build quality, the roller feels durable, and the titanium needles should hold up over time. However, there's no denying that it's not as premium as some other microneedling tools out there. For everyday use, it's reliable, but if you're looking for something that will last for years with frequent heavy use, you may want to consider investing in a higher-end option. In terms of customer support, I didn't have any issues requiring assistance, but the Beard Club is known for providing helpful customer service and a solid reputation. I've seen positive feedback from other users when it comes to resolving inquiries and concerns quickly. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other microneedling rollers in a similar price range, but they might not offer the same versatility. Brands like Derma Roller and ORA offer products with a wider range of needle lengths, but they tend to be priced higher. If you're looking for something that covers all bases without splurging, this could be a good option. To wrap it up, the Beard Club Derma Roller is a solid microneedling tool for anyone looking to improve their grooming routine without breaking the bank. It's not going to give you a beard overnight, but with consistent use, you can expect to see improvements in beard thickness and skin texture. It's affordable, practical, and versatile, but it does have its limitations. If you're on a budget and want to try microneedling, this is definitely worth considering. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review on Beautyistic. And now, as always, I want to thank you for watching today. If you've used this product or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. The link to grab the product will be right there for you. Thanks for tuning in. Goodbye till next time, and remember, take care of your skin because it's your best beauty accessory.